Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done speaking for a second time at Canalino Elementary School and Carpinteria Family School here in Carpinteria, California. Another gorgeous day outside and inside all of our hearts. I got to speak on my diversity program today, talking about all of our differences and the need for human kindness, right? And that we truly try to build on looking at someone's heart first and seeing that worth not only in ourselves, but then going out and seeing that in someone else. And this world desperately needs this kindness, desperately needs this love. Programs took place in the cafeteria right behind me here, and it was just a really solid reminder of why I do what I do. Just the inspiration and motivation from all these young students that came up to me and shared their hearts with me during all the lunches when I got to talk to them one-on-one. And seeing the M's on their hand that they had traced already to welcome me back, the M for miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we're worthy of love, to give it and receive it. And like the shirt that I was wearing today, it says miracle on the front, worthy on the back, that we truly deserve love, and we have to believe this, we have to buy into that. And then we have to also know that it's our job now to be that light to someone else's heart, someone that doesn't fully appreciate their own diversity, for how they're born, for whatever they're going through, or some things that they can't control, that we're able to see them as human beings and appreciate both their outer differences as well as the inside. To be able to respect everyone, to show this unconditional love without any conditions. We talked about all those sub-themes today, and the kids really were all in. They were very invested in wanting to grow, wanting to learn, wanting to better themselves, and wanting to make such a huge impact even at a young age. So it's so inspiring for me, because I just can't begin to tell you the potential that's here at these two schools. And to see them just going out, showing this kindness, not only talking it, but living it and walking it every day of their life. They know that it's so important that we show this compassion and show this empathy and show this respect and kindness and love, because it's not just to the person that you're doing it towards, it's to anybody else that might see that positive action or hear that positive word. It could potentially change their heart forever, right? So we have to be all in, and they are here at Canalino, at Carpinteria, and just a true blessing and honor and privilege to be back to continue to speak on this very important message and theme of instilling kindness into this world. That's how we start to heal this planet, by lifting people up higher than ourselves instead of tearing them down. So again, great to see all of you. Hope to be back again in the future to keep sharing my heart. As always, make sure to hit the notification bell to get future updates on videos like this one, as well as subscribing and making sure to check out the playlist above for some other amazing clips on my journey across this country as I keep healing America's heart one school at a time. And don't forget to check out my website too for some other information on the kindness we're spreading all across this nation. Much love. Peace.